Hey dentists, my name's Derek Chung, and in this video I'm going to explain how you can get new patients flooding through your doors, and that is by filming your patient testimonials and putting them online. Patient video testimonials are one of the absolute best tools to engage with your prospective patients, showcase your practice, showcase your ability to provide amazing and quality care. Again, my name is Derek. If you're not familiar with me, I run a dental marketing agency called Umbra Media. I've also built the TAP system, which is a powerful patient acquisition system that helps dentists get new high-quality appointments and patients on tap. Anyways, onto the video. So I just want to introduce the power of patient testimonials as a strategy for marketing your practice. It's probably one of the absolute best things that you can do for your practice. A lot of practices just have written testimonials, and people see that and they're going to be intrigued by that. But what they really want to see is that a real person has received your care and services and are very happy with it and are willing to, put out a testimonial out there because they were so happy with your services. This is going to instill a next level of trust in your prospective customers, prospective patients, and it's just going to be a game changer for your practice if you haven't done so already. Including this on your website, including this on your social media is going to really help elevate your dental practice to the next level. This creates a next level of trust. Like I mentioned, it's just something that is going to be very authentic. It's going to lend credibility to your practice that there is one of your past patients, just a normal person like them, someone that they can relate to, that is saying such good things, that can get actually really good care from you, that they're not going to be essentially swindled, or they're not going to end up regretting their decision. Seeing that patient testimonial, seeing multiple of them, just creates this social proof that is undeniable. This foundation of trust in you and your practice, that they're going to end up calling you, wanting to book a call with you and book a consultation with you, and eventually move forward with your services. Patient testimonials also humanize your practice and put a face to your practice. So, when somebody's on Google and they're searching dental services near me, and your practice pops up, maybe if your picture is there, maybe not. They don't see anything beyond just the business, essentially. But when they are able to see a patient that actually got services from you, it just creates a whole new human element to your practice. It becomes now your practice is somewhere that they'd actually like to go to, that they can relate to. It develops an emotional connection with your practice. Just by having that simple patient testimonial on your website, something that they could view, that they can develop foundation of trust on. When people don't know anything about a service, they look to other people to see if they got it before, if they have some sort of good experience with it. So that serves that purpose for that new prospective patient. And testimonials also serve as basically living proof that your dental practice is successful, that you provide amazing quality care, and that you should be trusted. If I'm going to a service provider and there's nothing about them online, there's nothing about what they do, no case studies that they provide, I'm not going to trust them because they haven't shown that they're credible just yet. So having those patient testimonials is going to develop that credibility and trust with your prospective patient. And also, having patient testimonials can help prospective patients address any fear or anxiety that they have with, maybe a huge procedure. Maybe if you're doing an all-on-X, if you're doing full arch, if you're doing even dental implants, or maybe a root canal therapy or something like that, those procedures create anxiety and fear. And so having a patient who talks about their experience, how it was super seamless, how they were nervous at first, but after talking with you and your team, it helped them feel better about their situation, and that they just had a really smooth experience throughout the entire course of their journey. That's going to relieve the anxiety and fears of your prospective patients as well. And it's going to help them come into your practice and consult with you and eventually go through with services. And these patient testimonials are also going to highlight the different dental care options that you provide. So it doesn't have to just be a patient testimonial over and over of the same procedure. It can be of different things that you provide, like implant treatment, restorative, even Invisalign or braces if you do that there. If you do root canal therapy, just like a general teeth whitening. Having something for every single type of service will be able to give insight and a perspective to your prospective patients of all the different care services that you provide, and the fact that every single one of these services that you provide are very high quality. And not only just having, filming patient testimonials, you can have different forms of testimonials. You can have, video, like we mentioned. You can have written. People sometimes just want to read it. It resonates better with them. Before and after galleries are also huge. This plays a huge part in their decision making as well. Seeing what a before state and after state looks like, you're basically selling them on the procedure itself already, because they're going to associate themselves with the before state, and the future state is the after picture that they're looking at. And so they're building the gap in their mind of the pain that they currently have, and how your practice and how your services will solve that problem for them. And not only that, you want to actually engage, with those testimonials too. You want to be in the videos. You want to engage with any reviews that you're getting. It shows that you care about your practice. You're willing to put in the time to, build that trust and relationship with those in your community, and it's going to further develop that trust and relationship with your prospective patient. Now, before you post your patient testimonials, you want to make sure that you get their consent for that. You don't want to be filming patients, getting pictures of their mouth and talking about their case without actually getting their permission, because this could be a violation of their privacy and confidentiality. So just make sure that they give you their permission, that they sign a contract or sign a waiver allowing you to put their information online, put it in a patient gallery or something like that. And a good time to ask for patient testimonials is, right after their treatment. If they're very happy with their treatment, that's a great time to ask. Targeting them when they're essentially the happiest, when they're more likely to give you a testimonial, is the best time to do it. You can even incentivize people to give you testimonials, reviews, or video testimonials by entering them into a patient appreciation giveaway. So if they send you a video, if they send in a review, they'll be entered into the giveaway, where they can win a small gift card or something like that. This is a strategy that we've used to help get our clients a lot of Google reviews, get them some video testimonials and things like that. So it's a very powerful strategy. So, we've covered a lot, but just want to review the benefits again. It's going to build trust with your prospective patients. It's going to put your practice in a more positive light. It's going to humanize your practice. It's going to relieve anxiety and fears. So if you haven't done so already, make sure you film your patient testimonials, create a before and after gallery, make sure that your reviews are very publicized, that you're very focused on having a very strong online reputation. And that's that for the video. So if you're an implant dentist and you're looking to achieve time and financial freedom, you can click the first link in the description. It's going to be a video of telling you exactly what we do and how we help dentists solve the patient acquisition problem. You don't have to click it if you don't want to, but if you're struggling with the burnout of managing your practice and you're looking to get your time back so you can spend it with loved ones, go ahead and click that link and schedule a call with me, and we can strategize about how you can get there. Also, if you're looking to join a community of dentists and dental professionals looking to scale and grow their practice, second link in the description is my Facebook group. Feel free to join. There will be group exclusive goodies there. You can network with other dental professionals. And I've also linked my Instagram down below if you want some short form content to look at, if you want just some quick tips. You could also send me a message on there with any questions that you have. Anyway, that's all for this video. If you liked it, make sure you leave a like. If you want to see more content like this, make sure you subscribe. And if there's any video suggestions that you have, make sure to leave it in the comment section. Be more than happy to cover it. So thank you so much for watching until the end. I hope you keep crushing in your practice, and I hope to see you in the next video.